train from San Francisco Airport will exit on the 4th level of the car rental center, as you can see here. And the garage for National is all the way down to the left. Just follow the signs for rental car pickup. And we got a Chevy Malibu, Dodge Charger V6, got a Kia, a Mitsubishi SUV, another Chevy Malibu, looks like a Nissan Sentra, compact Nissan, Chrysler minivan, another Mitsubishi SUV, Toyota Corolla. These are all just the regular Emerald Club aisle. We'll get to the executive aisle in a minute. A Dodge Ram pickup, got a compact SUV Nissan, Toyota Camry, Nissan Sentra, or maybe Altima, another Nissan, Hyundai, another Nissan, Chrysler minivan, and we'll just go down the other side of the Emerald Club aisle. Hyundai Sonata. Got Nissan, a couple of them here. Hyundai, a couple more Nissans. Dodge Ram 1500. And it's one of these new ones with a Hemi e-torque. Got a Hyundai. Looks like a hybrid, or is it a plug-in? Yeah. I think it's just a hybrid. Yeah, it's one of those Ioniq hybrids. Got a Nissan Sentra. Beside that, we got a Corolla coming up here. Got a VW, Corolla, Hyundai, Mazda SUV. We got another Ioniq. Toyota, and looks like these are the upgrades. $75 a day for a Range Rover Discovery. That's what they're asking. And looks like an Audi Q5. They're asking $50. And on the left, we got the executive aisle. Looks like a couple upgrade BMWs here, and an Audi. Dodge Ram pickup, Hemi 5.7 liter. Another Dodge Charger rolling in through here. Got a Chevy Malibu. Got another Nissan. A couple of them here. We got a Ford Explorer coming through. Chevy Equinox. Just quick take a look at this Explorer here. Limited trim. Looks like a 5 Series BMW just rolled in here. Toyota Corolla, got a Nissan, a couple of them. Looks like a BMW, maybe an X2. Let's take a look here. See if I can see the back. Yeah, X2. The sunroof. Another Camry. Oh, another X2. Dodge Charger, base model. Camry. Another Dodge Charger. Nissan, a couple of Nissans. Ford F-150. XLT. Dodge Charger. Chrysler 300 looks like a limited. Nissan Pathfinder. We've got a Kia. And actually had a look at this Camaro, Space Camaro earlier. It's got 56,000 miles on it. And we'll just go down the other side of the executive aisle here. Got a Chevy Equinox. Got a Jeep Compass. And we got a Mitsubishi. This looks like one of those plug-ins. Plug-in hybrid, yeah. Trim level is SEL. Ram Hemi, Nissan Murano, this looks like the older one. Our Nissan, Toyota Camry coming up here. Grand Cherokee. Chevy Equinox, our Nissan, looks like a Mazda 6. Another Toyota 4Runner. Chevy, Dodge Durango Hemi. RT, and we got a Chevy, and another Toyota over there. Let's take a look at this mileage on this Durango here. That looks like the older model. Yeah, 44,000 miles. And let's take a quick look at this 5 Series, which I might take. Oh, sorry, it's a 330i. Oh, that was a 5 Series. It's got the sunroof. How many miles? Oh, 51,000 miles. And this is the Enterprise Exotics collection. BMW convertible. BMW 7 Series. BMW M850i convertible. A couple Teslas. It's actually a Cadillac at the end here beside this BMW. BMW X7 and Cadillac XT6. Maserati looks like it's got new plates on it. And 75 for the Range Rover and the Jaguar SUV. And this is the regular Emerald Isle. It's fairly early in the morning here at San Francisco Airport on a weekday. And we're going to switch over to the executive selection here. A couple minivans. Wrangler. And a Yukon. And I think this is a 2 Series BMW. Let's check. Yeah, 228.85. And one more selection here. A couple big SUVs. These tend to start showing up in the aisle when you run low on cars. Infinity SUV. I think this is a QX80. Yeah. And a couple large SUVs. These are over in reserve at National. Okay, we're back at the ground level of the rental facility, and for the air train you go to the ground level and then you exit and you go under the air train. You can either take the elevator or I'm going to take the escalator up here. Sounds like the air train just got in. And the east platform on the left goes to long-term parking. You can see when you arrive, it drops you off at the 4th floor. And what we want is the west platform to go back to the airport. And that's it. We're arriving at Terminal 3.